luscious. These are coming from the text Thunder Cake and Princess and the Pizza. So I want you to think for a moment, which of those three words do you think was fun or especially fun to talk about yesterday? And why do you think that? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. I think blank was especially fun to talk about because... So moving on, we are going to create a sentence. I am going to tell you the beginning of a sentence that uses one of yesterday's vocabulary words, and using your imagination and also what you know about the word, you will complete that sentence. The first word we're going to talk about is the word bellow. And just a reminder, bellow means to shout or roar loudly. So how would you complete this sentence? Mr. Sawyer bellowed at the boys because... If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. Would it make sense to say Mr. Sawyer bellowed at the boys because they were making too much noise and he wanted to sleep? Would that make sense? Why or why not? Right, I guess it would, because if you're shouting or roaring loudly, if you're really needing some sleep, I know that I've been in this situation before and wanted to bellow. So I guess that would make sense there. Let's take a look at the next word. The next word is luscious. And just a reminder, this word means delicious or extremely good to eat. So we have Jose, and Jose thinks his lunch is luscious because... How would you finish that sentence? You can turn and talk or think to yourself. So would this make sense? Jose thinks his lunch is luscious because the pizza is hot and has lots of cheese and tomato sauce. Does that make sense? Why or why not? So if you don't care for pizza, you might say, no, it doesn't make sense. But for a majority of us, those who love pizza, we might agree that this looks very luscious, extremely good to eat. And so we would say, yes, this does make sense because Jose's lunch is looking rather luscious. Let's look at the next word, survey. Remember that survey is a multiple meaning word, but we are using it thinking about looking over or inspecting something carefully. So let's look at this example. Jennifer is surveying her closet because. How could you finish that sentence? Great job. So would it make sense to say something like, Jennifer is surveying her closet because she is looking for her favorite sweater? Does that make sense? Why or why not? Right, it does. If she's surveying her closet, she's looking through. Hers looks kind of messy in the picture, but she's looking and inspecting it, trying to find that favorite sweater. That wraps up day 2. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 3.